So I backed out. I was thinking about it more and more yesterday. I was like, man, if it well, first off, the chances of snow were going down. It was more looking like more of a heavy rain, and I was just thinking, like, anybody that knows the desert they know that it could flood pretty fast, and there was 2 washes that I went through and a pretty steep hill that I would not want to deal with if there was a bunch of rain. So I ended up just coming down a little bit. I was back over that way, and it's not as bad as they were making it sound. I guess more of a tonight and later on thing. Got good service here, so I'm doing a live tomorrow for New Year's, which you guys already see because this is in the past. You guys see this in the future. And so, speaking of New Year's, I'm gonna give you guys my 10 goals for this year. So, number 1, the first goal is start selling merchandise. I have a buddy out in Hawaii who's using Bobby's designs and creating a bunch of different cool designs for shirts and hats and whatever the print on demand wants to make. So look forward to some merch this year, right, Jade? Maybe even a Schmuppet hat. My second New Year's goal is to be more active on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. It's really not that much of a extra effort. I did it with this previous video. I think my goal for the beginning, man, I can't talk today. The goal for the beginning of it is just to create like these, like a trailer, I guess you could say, until I start getting more used to making them and maybe thinking of a theme or something. But for now, it'll just be like little trailers of the video coming out that day or whatever the week. And it should draw more people in, you know, because not everybody, some people are like super into Instagram Reels, so they might not see me on YouTube or think about it, whatever, but maybe I'll catch their eye on Instagram and they're like, oh, I want to go see the full version of this guy. Number 3 on the list is no relationships. Friendships, yeah, but no more having someone move in the van and or even any sort of distraction. I always do so much better when I'm on my own, and that's when I'm most creative. So I need to stay committed this year and work on the channel and work on the 9 other goals, which number 4 is, all right, goal number 4, something a lot of you guys have been asking for, is a cookbook. Everything from my world famous banana parum cakes to my blue ribbon burgers and my world famous award-winning enchiladas. But definitely due for a cookbook. Let me know what you guys like out of all my videos. I've done like 50 cooking videos, so comment and let me know which one would you want to see in the cookbook. So, number 5, no. So the next one on the list is to get sponsored or to have some sort of deal. Preferably I'd like to do some sort of cooking, you know, like a knife or a like a cook stove or any sort of cooking equipment. So that's my goal for next year, is try to get some sort of endorsement or sponsorship or something by a cool knife or some kitchen equipment. Got some steaks going. So along with these steaks, we're gonna do a spinach and sweet corn combination. Cast iron. Happy New Year! Jade's sleeping. It's raining cats and dogs. Can't see anything. Doesn't sound too bad though. Not like it did an hour ago. Up where I was, they're probably definitely getting snow. You know, Mount Charleston, I was reading now, they're getting like 10 inches of snow. So there goes my buried in snow clickbait thumbnail. But speaking of numbers, so goal number 6 is for subscribers. I'd like to reach 40,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and then I'd like to reach 50 Patreons. So it's kind of like, I feel like it's a little far-fetched goal, but we're gonna hope high here. Well, good morning. Happy New Year. There's the storm. So we were back over there, you know, a couple days ago. It didn't look like they got too much snow. So this audio sucked. What I was saying was number 7 is a website. I want to be able to team up with Tony in Hawaii and make custom art pieces and just have different things that I could sell on a website that you wouldn't be able to get from a print-on-demand shop. Okay, so one of my favorite goals for this year is going to be to go see the East Coast and the North, probably like during the summer-ish, spring, summer. I've driven through some of those states a long time ago, but I've never actually thoroughly explored or camped out in any of that part of the country. So that's a big goal this year. I didn't turn my microphone on when I was recording this, so I think we were chatting West Coast is the best coast. Number 9 on the list is to continue feeding those in need. Maybe going to the East Coast and stuff will tie in with that pretty good. I have a lot of options at different towns and stuff to go into, so that's on the goal, or that's on the list, and that's probably one of my favorite ones. So